Hi everyone, I'm Viola and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a simple breast pump tutorial for moms who are looking for a comfortable and easy routine. Let's start by taking a quick look at the pump. It's designed to be gentle and practical for everyday use. The soft silicone cup helps create a comfortable seal, while the bottle collects the milk safely and keeps everything neat. The pump is lightweight, easy to hold, and simple to clean, which makes it very convenient for daily routines. Before starting, make sure you feel relaxed and comfortable. Gently place the pump on the breast and check that it sits correctly. Once everything feels secure, begin pumping slowly and evenly. You should feel a soft, natural suction that stays comfortable. After a short moment, you'll notice the milk beginning to flow into the bottle. Try to keep a calm rhythm and steady breathing while pumping. Taking your time and staying relaxed can make the process feel smoother and more natural. If needed, adjust the position slightly so it stays comfortable. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle. Everything is now ready to be stored or used. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos for moms and everyday wellness. See you next time. Bye.